Hi, I'm Aryan Goda and I'm going to show you how to make a cube in cube pattern. First I will show you how the cube in cube pattern. See, in cube and cube pattern we have to take 3 colors of this, but I am such as example and I'm going to do like this only. There's such as example, the green has my front and yellow the orange has my top and white has my side, and I'm going to show you how will we see this. See, cube and cube pattern. This is see like 2 by 2 cube, like this. In this also cube and cube pattern. See, in 4 by 4 also cube and cube pattern. See, in 5 by 5 also cube and cube pattern. See, I will show this at the last of the video. This is also at last of the video. I will be trying to show the algorithm on the screen, but I will show you. To make a cube in cube pattern, we have to take a solved cube. So I have give you example like this. I am doing the cube in cube pattern. First we have to F L F U R U F F L L U L B D B and 2 times L down, and you have to do, and you have to take back. We have made the cube in cube pattern. I am trying to show on the screen this cube in cube pattern. We have to solve it. That algorithm from the opposite side we have also take this, make this. So we from the opposite side we have to solve it from that algorithm. We have to one more time we have to follow the algorithm F L F U R U F F L L U L B D B. It solve the cube, and I have said you to show the cube and cube pattern in 5 by 5, 2 by 2 and 4 by 4. I am showing you first in 3 by 3. This is I am do 3 by 3 like this side, and I am taking 2 by 2. That algorithm only we have to give the algorithm only. Cube and cube algorithm is that only. Cube in cube 2 by 2 and cube in cube 2 by 2, and this is 4 by 4. F L F U R U F F L I B D We have to do like this only. But this is cube in cube. We have to do cube in cube in cube. We have to move the double layer of the 4x4. F L F U R U F F F L L L U L B B D B. This is an cube in cube in 4x4. I've kept this side and I'm taking the 5x5. Rubik's Cube. F L F U R U F F L L U L B D B. We have taken it down and we have to do like this cube in cube in 5x5. We have to move also in double layer. L F U R U F F L L U L B D B. This is an cube in 5x5. This is 3x3. Bye bye.